Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord channel read-only. Read-only channels are perfect for sharing important information, posting rules, or making announcements without distractions from regular chat messages. Setting this up helps keep your server organized and ensures members see important updates clearly. Whether you're creating a rules channel, an announcements channel, or simply want better control over who can post messages, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord app and go to the server where you want to create the read-only channel. Once you're there, right-click on the server's channel list and select Create Channel. Choose Text Channel, then enter the name you want for your read-only channel. For this example, we'll name it Read-Only and then click Create Channel. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Edit Channel cog to the right of the newly created channel. You'll see several options that help you adjust the channel's settings. From the left-hand menu, go to Permissions. Scroll down to Text Channel Permissions and look for the Send Messages permission. Click on the red X to disable it for everyone. Follow the on-screen instructions to save changes by pressing Save Changes at the bottom. Doing this ensures that normal server members won't be able to post messages, while administrators and moderators can still manage the channel. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Double-check that your role permissions for admins or moderators still allow sending messages, and consider adding a welcome or rules message so members know what the channel is for. Doing this beforehand can save confusion and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, test the channel by trying to send a message with a normal member account. You'll see that they won't be able to type or send anything. After that, you should be able to manage announcements or rules without interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically review permissions to ensure the channel remains read-only as your server grows. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to make a Discord channel read-only easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to create read-only channels. Why not make someone's day easier?